Let's make this simple, easy, but yet perfect ice cream recipe. And with this recipe, we are making it in 2 ways. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. If today is the first time here, please do not make it the last time of visiting. Trust me, you will love it here. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have my mixing bowl very clean here. I'll just go ahead and add a cup of milk powder. You can use any brand of your choice. Okay, hello my amazing returning subscribers and followers. Thank you for always watching my videos. I don't take your support for granted. Thank you so much. Now I'll go ahead and add half cup of water and then mix this very well till it dissolves. Okay, so in case you are not aware, please, we are on all social media platforms and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us for more videos, and trust me, you will love it everywhere. Thank you so much for doing it. The next ingredient on our list is coconut milk, and I've added that to it. I will leave the quantity on the screen. I will then go ahead and add my condensed milk. This is actually leftover my husband brought from his place. I told you the other day that when you use something from the can, the leftover, you have to pour it in the bowl. Okay, that is very good. You don't have to leave your milk or anything in the can and then put it in the fridge. That is very bad. I'll go ahead and then mix this very well till it becomes uniform, and then I'll share with you the next ingredients we are going to add. Please, have you liked this video? If you haven't, what are you waiting for, sweetheart? Can you please do so for me? Smash on the like button and then share this video to others. I'll be very happy to see your comments in the comment section. So now this is actually the quantity of coconut milk I used. Okay, the other ingredients we are making, I have my coconut milk in the mixing bowl, and now I'm going to add a cup of soy milk, mix it very well, and then I am not going to add condensed milk or sugar, but what I'm going to add will be honey. Before we add the honey, I will add my vanilla, mix this very well, and then I'll add another flavor again. So that is actually lemon flavor. I did not add lemon flavor to the first one because that was for my little girl. Okay, the dad said I shouldn't give her anything lemon. Now we will add the honey. Add it according to your taste and then mix this very well. Then we can continue. Thank you so much. Have you liked this video? No? Please, why? Can you please smash on the like button for me and then leave me your comment in the comment section. I'll be very happy if you share this video with others. I'll be very happy, so do so for me. Thank you so much. Mix it very well. Okay, so this is where we have gotten to. I just had to transfer mine to a bigger container. Okay, now we are going to pour this in my cups. Someone may ask, where can I get the cups to buy? You can get it from anywhere they sell those takeaway containers. Okay, but you can actually use any cup of your choice. You can use the kids cups or the cup you use at home. So far as it is not going to break in the freezer, you can use it. I personally did not buy this. Why? When we go anywhere, okay, if you sleep at the hotel, the cups that I get from the hotels, that is what I I gathered, and then I have a lot. So I don't remember the last time I bought cups. So use any cup of your choice. Okay, now I poured mine here, and I'll be tying my daughter's one in the rubber so that we can know the difference, and she will not take mine and I will not take hers. Now put your chewing sticks in there or your ice cream sticks in there. Let's get back to the little girl's ice cream. I have added some vanilla to it. I'll give it a mix and just look at how creamy it looks and how milky it looks. So delicious already. So like I said, we are going to tie this in the rubber, and I just don't want the video to be very long. So I will pour this in the rubber and then tie it perfectly. When we are done, I will get back to you. Just look at that. So creamy and so yummy. We tied everything and I placed them in the freezer the next day. Oh my God. Just look at that. So delicious. Thank you so much for your time, and please do not forget to smash on the like button. Eat very well for me, and always remember I love you. So I come your way next time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.